Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I trust you all are doing well. I have another makeup transformation video for you all. It's a Melanin makeup transformation, and I got her ready for a wedding, though it's just a flash of the process. I already applied the foundation here, and next is the highlighting, as you can see, and then I moved on to contour. I did creamy contour, yes, as you can see. Yeah, and also if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get my video whenever I upload. Look at those brows, oh my gosh, I just love it. They are on fleek. Yes, and I did a cut crease for the eyeshadow. Yeah, and I love the color combination. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Now this is the finished look. Can you see the eye makeup? Look at the ombre leaves. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful, and I know you love it too. So leave me your favorite part of this look. And another thing again that I love about this, you see her smile. Yes, you see the smile. Wait for it. Oh, can you see this? Can you see this? Beautiful. She was very happy with her look. A happy client. I just love it. I love her smile. You know, I'm happy when my clients are satisfied. Yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, my new subscribers, for joining the family. Thank you all so much. Thank you for your constant support. My friends that have always been here, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.